Hello everyone, you're watching The Savera and I'm Pavit Kaur. So the Punjab government has recently launched its new health scheme that covers up to rupees 10 lakh. How the scheme is different from the Ayushman Bharat scheme and what all criteria and who all can avail this scheme, let's have a word regarding the same. With me, I have the Punjab's Health Minister Dr. Balbir Singh. Dr. Asab, first of all, I just want to know how is this scheme different from the center's Ayushman Bharat scheme?
There are two, three things. One is that Ayushman Bharat, the cover is 5 lakh, and in Mukhyamantri Sehat Yojana, the cover is 10 lakhs. It's double. Number two, this is a universal coverage. That is a very limited scheme, limited to the SCCC families, socio-economic and caste service. Below poverty line families, only 16.5 lakh families are covered there, whereas all 65 lakh families, 3 crore Punjabis are covered in Mukhyamantri Sehat Yojana. So these are the two principal differences. Number two, for as far as the central scheme is concerned, some portion has to come from the center, some money has to come from Mandi board, some money has to come from excise department, and some from public relation department, etc. Whereas Mukhyamantri Sehat Bima Yojana is a budgetary scheme. The money will come from budget. There will be no delay in payment. There will be quick payment. It will cover all the Punjabis and it will give the double coverage up to 10 lakh rupees, and it will cover all the diseases and all the government hospitals, all the central government hospitals, plus most of the private hospitals as well.
Till now, how many hospitals have applied? Because I'm quite sure that this scheme will not only cover the government hospitals, some of the private hospitals will also be a part of this.
Already for an existing scheme, more than 500 private hospitals, they are empaneled hospitals. I'm sure that number will go substantially high because it's a universal scheme. People will avail this scheme, and otherwise those who are left out, they will not get patients. Already the impact is there to fail. Even medical colleges like Dayanand Medical College, DMC Ludhiana, CMC Ludhiana, now they are doing free cesareans because they were not getting enough patients because of the various government schemes.
So, what all health facilities will be covered under the scheme? Is there any particular diseases which will be covered, or there is the health infrastructure, the wholly solely it will be covered?
All diseases will be covered, all life-saving procedures will be covered. Only the cosmetic surgeries will not be covered.
So, from when the people of Punjab will be able to avail this particular scheme?
From 2nd of October. The scheme will be launched on 2nd of October. We will again invite you, and UC will educate the public and educate the media also, because for public education, education of media is very important.
Thank you so much, sir. So this was the Health Minister of Punjab, Dr. Balbir Singh, who informed us, who shared the details of this particular health scheme, which will be available for the Punjabis out there starting from October 2nd. With the summit, this is Pavit Kaur for the Savera.